Hello students, in this session we are going to see Introduction to Management Accounting for 3rd BBA students. Introduction and meaning of management accounting. It is the base in accounting for managers with which managers get necessary information on executing their function. Decision making in any business enterprise is a primary function of the management. Financial accounting leads to the formation of management accounting in that it provides various set of accounts and statements which, though not enough for decision making, provide a raw data to the managers for management accounting. Management accounting is an accounting system designed to provide adequate and appropriate information to the management in order to carry out its functions. It is also known as management oriented accounting or accounting for management. ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டில் டெசிஷன் மேக்கிங் அப்படின்றது தான் ப்ரைமரி ஃபங்க்ஷனாக இருக்கும். அந்த டெசிஷன் மேக்கிங் ஓரியன்டாக முடிவெடுக்கிறது எல்லாமே மேனேஜர்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் ஓரியன்டாக அக்கௌண்டிங் க்ரியேட் பண்ணுறது அக்கௌண்டிங் ஃபார் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லப்படுது. ஹியர் சம் ஆஃப் த டெஃபினிஷன்ஸ் ஆர் given below. Management accounting is accounting for effective management. BOS. According to the CIMA, management is an integral part of management concerned with identifying, presenting and interpreting information used for formulating strategy, planning and controlling activities, decision making, optimizing the use of resource, disclosure to the shareholders and other external to the entity, disclosure to employees, safeguarding assets. Next, here we are going to see relation of management accounting with cost accounting and financial accounting. Preparing revenue statement and position statement in financial accounting. In cost accounting, we are evaluating the cost for control and optimum competence. In management accounting, help management for planning, control and decision making. Next, role of management accounting: planning, organizing, coordinating, controlling, motivating and communicating. These are the roles of management accounting. Next, tools and techniques of management accounting. Here, financial planning, analysis of financial statements, historical cost accounting, standard cost accounting, budgetary control, marginal costing, decision accounting, revaluation accounting, ratio accounting, internal auditing and management information system MIS and statistical techniques. Here, next we are going to see nature of the management accounting. First one, forecasting. Second one, disseminate information. Third one, increase in efficiency. It is effective decision and increase efficiency. Fourth one, usage of techniques and concepts. The various techniques and concepts makes the data more useful. No fixed model. There is no uniformity for the data analysis from organization to organization. Aids management. It is accurate information to make right decision. Cause and effect analysis. It portrays the relationship of cause and effect between the variables. Next, helps in achieving the objectives. Management accounting directly or indirectly helps in achieving objectives. These are the scope of management accounting. Next, some of the differences between management accounting and financial accounting, that is based on objectives, performance, data use, monetary management, reporting, nature, legality, coverage, publication and audit and methodology. Here, some of the differences between management accounting and cost accounting. It is based on objective, scope, nature, data use and development, principle followed. Next, functions of management accounting. Management accounting provides the data and modifies the data. Next, analyzes and interprets the data, serves as a means for communicating and it facilitates the control and use of qualitative information. Next, its limitations of management accounting. It is generally based solely on accounting records, constant efforts required, widespread knowledge, and expensive system. It is resistance to systematic changes. It incommensurability between progressive phase and static techniques. Thank you.